Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. We came out to one of our fishing spots to get some fishing in. Left the bait, so now Nell and myself and Gio's out hunting bait, looking for soldier crabs, or hermit crabs as you say. They're not down by the seaside guys, they're up here in the woods, and you have to actually search for them under the rocks, under anything, or moving any objects to find them. So one of the main things you have to do is move big objects to find them guys. Move big objects to find these soldier crabs or rocks, to search for them and look for them, but I don't see none here. I saw them big up here? Eh? What you say? I saw them big up here? No, take him up, man. Take him up. Throw him in there. You know, use him as bait.
You want him?
Eh?
You want him?
Our black crab we can eat, or I'm seeing size. No, sir, I left him. A sea crab you want? Blue sea crab. Alright, if I'm going to lift up one of them and book up on 40 leg. Eh? What you say? I don't hear you, Gio. I know hole and live down here so to rot it, you know, boy. Gio, remember the fishing competition that we did? Yeah. The fishing thing with the youth them? Yeah, this a young man did win the fishing rod. Hey guys, I'm hoping I'll find one so I can show you how these guys hide. The mosquitoes are tearing me up in here guys. Mosquitoes are hitting my head up wicked. And let them find them quick. Yeah, that's it for me. Mosquito them run, you're terrible OG man. I saw 757 Boeing jet pass me ears, yeah. You know say they climb too, Gio? I say you know say they climb that tree too. They climb that tree man and hide in some little crotch corner them at night time. Like all in some little bush. Up in that tree me used to find them too, in a rainy time. Hey look man, now come up here so here. Cause it's kinda steep. You hear me? No, I tell look man, now come up here cause it's kinda steep. So one big one yeah. Gio, so one yeah. Gio, see one yeah? You hear me, Gio? Hey. Find one look well in the walk. And there so they trail, you know, Gio. So they walk trail, you know. Yeah man. Just getting here guys. All the gears is set up. Moving down on the beach. Water looking good. Water looking real good. Holding our table, our shore spot. Water looking real good this morning, Gio. Lean them up right there, somehow. We can move on our table down there, somehow. Yeah, man. Alright, just lean them up. Lean up, Mel. You don't have to put you up. Just lean up. Just lean up. Just carry on our table. Huh? Put it right here on with this stuff. I'm going to set his line up real quick to get him out. Here guys, I'm going to take this hook off. I was just using the hook to string it. It's kind of solid. So I'm trying to get this young man's line set up and get him a rig and get him out here. Get this young man's line set up. Try a couple of quick knots here guys. Get him hooked on. Get him baited up. And get him out there guys. Alright. Hey little man. Over here, so we're there now. When the depend swing thing to that fishing, you're coming, boss. Huh? Yeah, fever grass. Alright, we have that set up. I need to get him a rig. Wide enough rig that he can handle. I got a 1 ounce set up here for him. Here. So you see when I put that swivel on his line now, so he has 2 hooks on here now, which he has to be extremely careful. Sorry. Hold it for me. Hold that rod, the rod. No, the rod, yeah. Let go of that, I got it. So this now, how you hook on these, you gotta hook these. You can keep this after it. And you hook these, you lock it in place. Now he has his hooks, weights, and everything in one. So the only thing left for him to do now is just bait up and get his line out in the water. Alright, let's get you set up in a second. Let me get my lines, one of my lines out, because I'm only gonna set 1 line. I'm not gonna set 2 lines today. Sure, you gotta double check all your rod tips, all your rods, make sure that they're alright. I got gears, I got set up here. Good. Let's get this down here, guys. Here guys, so get this young man set up over here real quick next to my rod. I'm only setting 1 rod today, and then I'm going to do a bit of lure fishing and limited on bait. Yeah, we're going to have to take those crabs out. You heard, little man? Oh, where to go swim? You can't swim and fish same time, you know? You can't swim and fish and catch fish same time, you know, brother, because you can't frighten away the fish and not try to catch them. Here guys, so got little man line set. My line set, now I got to get some alarms and bait. Let me send these lines up. Alright, little man, come on, let me show you something. So I need 4 of them, right? So 1, 4, 5. So, huh? Slap it harder than that, young man. Young man. Do like a man. Hard like a man, son. That shell is a little bit harder than normal. See, me having trouble. Where you go? Where's the rest of it? Oh. Where did he go? Huh? Are you still in there? You know, broke up yet? Oh, see me, come out now. Alright, so we have 4 of them, right? Alright, we're good. Take up that one there, yeah. Take them out. Here guys, so taking our hermit crabs out the shell, guys, because we're trying to get them out. And take them out, man. Just grab it by the claws. Maybe you grab them by the legs so they don't bite you. Let's take it up. I'm going to get these on the hooks now, guys. Hermit crabs as bait. So you gotta be careful of the claws, guys, because they do pinch. and we'll get them down here. So let's take these down there, little man. Grab what you can grab. Come on, grab those. Come on. Yeah, guys, I don't know if you recall, but little man here had won one of our giveaways, and fishing rod and reel combos. Reelrods or us. Make sure you give her a link. Got us these beautiful rods, and that we could have done some giveaways, guys. So again, guys, big up to Reelrods or us in Kingston. Superb fishing shop. You can get all your fishing gears there and all your equipment. So make sure you give her a link, guys. I'll leave the description below. Alright, go ahead and come back. Let's get this line out here. Yeah, man, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. So what is looking good for lure fishing, guys, but we're going to set a couple of lines. So what I'm going to do is get my line out first, and being that's the bigger rod, and get it set. Going out. Get that line out there, guys. Look at that. Wow. Nice cast. Expecting to pick up some jackfish down here today, guys. So let's get the alarm on here real quick, so we can hear the line when the line goes off, in case we're not paying attention or we're not close by. Yeah, guys, so watch, little man, I'm gonna show you how you do your rod. You gotta make sure your drag's okay, that you can pull it with your hand but not too loose. So look, like this. Alright, so you bring 1 foot, so you're 1 foot from here to here. 1 foot, that's 12 inches. I'm gonna show you the first time, then you do it again the next time. Alright, you bring the bail up in the air like this. You bring your finger back on the trigger. We call this the trigger right here. You unlock the bail like this. Then you hold the rod like this. Grip on the back. Finger on the trigger. When you go back, you're going to go like this. Look, you're going to set yourself well. You're going to stand properly. And when you cast forward, watch me. Watch my finger. I'm going to let the line go at the same time. Once I go forward. So when I go forward with the rod, I let my finger go and the line will fly forward, which will let the line set where it's at. So once your line is set, you put tension on the line that the line is stiff and there's no belly. And then you get one of these alarms, and you just put it on top and let the rod sit until the fish bites. Okay, so we set these lines now. I have rod stands, so it makes things easy instead of having it in your hand and standing in the sun all day. So I set the rod stand so when the fish do hit it, see? Your rod's getting hit. Hold on. I'll tell you when to grab it. You're bringing your fish in today, guy. You're bringing your fish in today, guy. Let him hit. I want that fish to hit. Come on, hit it. Yes, we're fishing. So we're setting the lines, guys. We have the line set. And he's going to see what he's going to pick up today. So we got one hit already. And hopefully you're going to get a big hit and he picks up something like a 2-pounder or a 3-pounder. I'll just let him bring his fish in. Alright, guys, big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. You hear them? You can go and sit on the bench and just easy back. You have to stand up in front of the rod, them, man. Because what happens is, once they bite, you'll know. Trust me, you'll know when something bites. Yeah, Gio just caught a crayfish, guys. You let it go? Crayfish there, man. If you look on that rock stone, them were there. Any rock stone, them were there under. Right now, in a river, also. Crayfish. You get him, Gio? See him come out there. See him come out there. Pull it for them on that rock stone, you know. You hold him? See him there, Gio. I want shrimp. In the right, this side, right hand side, right there, Gio. See him right there, right in that corner. Hey, pinch me. Pinch out my rod. See me, I want shrimp. Regular shrimps. See, we natural, local shrimp, where crayfish are killer. And them I want to say the crayfish are killer. Them are nice shrimp, them are filled with local shrimp this. Them are filled with natural local shrimp this, but then can crayfish come put in a river and it kill out the whole of them here. The whole of them here to kill out. He pinch out my backside, look why with the big claw there. Nice shrimp this, you know. Them I use to cook with and catch bait. This one?
Yes,
in front.
In front, right?
Oh, see him there, so. See him there, so, Nell. See him? You see him now?
I want shrimp.
You want shrimp, yes? Oh, you have to swift with your hand with them, you know. Left your blood clean. Look at this, guys. Hand catch shrimp. What do you say, guys? Man say to left me, sir. Alright, Jeremy, I'll go barrel hunting. Come on, get some more of these. A few more of these, we good to go. It's a big mumpy right there, boy. Get in there. Get in there. I'm gonna go barrel hunting, guys. See if I can pick up 2 barrels around. Huh? Nylon line news. Oh, for this whole setup? You're looking at about $30,000. This is a Daiwa series, BG series. This is about 150 US. And the rod is about 30 US. Alright guys, Maronia are here. Yeah guys, so back on the spot again. I just caught a shrimp. Real live shrimp. It bit me. I caught a shrimp. They're catching shrimps over there. The shrimps in the bottle. They have the shrimps in the bottle. They're catching, because that's a river, you know. So they're catching shrimps. Travaris, you can go on with them and catch shrimp. Enjoy your little outdoor experience with us, son. Yeah, guys. So, first of all, I gotta clear all my pockets. So I have water shoes. It's not that deep. It's just muddy and soggy a bit. I just have to make sure that I don't have any money in my pocket, anything like electronics or nothing like that on me. Everything's good and the water's cold as hell as usual. Lord, Fish on! Yo! Fish on! What? Yeah. Yeah. One down. Nah, man. Yo, people, big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel again, guys. I'm here with Ron Adventures, Jamaica, and we're up on Theme Base, Theme HQ, and we'll come out here in the last video that you see, but unfortunately he was unavailable to come out the last time, so now he's out with us.
Almost unavailable again.
Yes.
Today, but
yeah, he made the effort today. So today we have also Travaris, one of my subscribers, who won a combo, a Daiwa combo from us, guys. Look at this combo that he won. We had a competition and he won this combination, guys. Look at this, a nice Daiwa setup. Big up to Reelrodsrusja in Kingston, guys, who donated one of these rods to us for the event. Definitely. Big up yourselves, guys. And this is my man Travaris with him fishing rod. I'll bait up in line real quick and set him in one local spot where you can set in line where you're not gonna feel that intimidated, guys, because the wind is kicking up and the water is getting a little bit tipsy. So not anybody wants to stand up in that kind of cold water while the breeze is blowing like that and wave are smacking you. Geo's got and scaling fish in the side corner, and I'm gonna go and scale some fish and clean them up. We'll roast them up on the grill real quick and get some food in our system. Just chillaxing, guys. Nothing major. Yeah, guys. So GR clean up some fish, guys. We'll cook up them fish here right now and get some food in the system. And Gio catch all of them here now, guys. Gio catch every one of them. You go up on the pier and murder fish like wolf. Yeah. Come to Jerry, we have a cast to eat. So the boss catch food for eat. So we don't catch, we don't eat. So we didn't carry any food with us. So it's about survival, bro. Going out and living off the land.
It's a survival.
Survival, living off the land. You don't eat, you don't catch, you don't eat. So we come out, we catch and we eat. That's what's up. So
Barrel of jerky.
yeah, we just kill the barrel a while. A small barrel, guys. It's real small, but it is what it is. We're hunting food.
Ready?
Yes, bro. We're gonna go out. Hey, Neil, go and light up fire now. My phone and everything there, so you know. No, sorry, good man. We're going hunting again, you know. I'll go on it. Yeah. The water cold, man. We go out there earlier, guys. So we're gonna get that white lure in and work it because they like that color white. Yeah, guys, so these are the jackfish you catch for lunch, and we're roasting them up on the fire, guys. Come on. And Ron's camp. We're in a Ron's HQ, Ron's Adventure, guys. Make sure to go to the channels, please like, share and subscribe. We're up on the ends and just there where I do cook up and look chill out and look fishing, guys. Normal routine. I caught one barra, you stay tuned for that video. It's a small barra, but we cooked them up anyways. So big up yourself, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, we are out here. Yeah, guys, so we just finish up getting some of the fish ready now around there. And that is the roast fish.
Sunny fish. Now it's a party, yeah? I want to see what
Straight fresh one, this is here summer. Yeah, but okay, this one. Yo, I best fish this roast straight fresh from sea come now, baby. You don't touch no ice. Yeah, man.
What, man?
They say you put your foot in it, boy. They say you put your foot in it. So your flavor extra. Yeah, guys.
right now. I test how the fish is going to test it. But listen to the bone.
Smoke.
Yeah, I put like your foot. And the one foot and this not two. Yeah.
Left and right foot down right, how the fish good. Turn up people.
That's how fish us now.
Right way.
Nice.
Yep. And Gio enjoying in fish over there now, guys. Yeah, man. Here, guys. Larry's here. Look here, Larry. Take with the last fish. Larry gone. Disappear. But we have more fish on the grill, guys. Because we're not short the thing, you know, guys. We just put a whole fresh new batch with barra everything on it, guys. Outside. You see me, guys? Yeah, guys. So we just flip this again. Got some barra on there, guys. And some fish. We're still here. We just finished the first round. Hitting the second round up, guys. And that's it. Stay outside. Just Jamaican shore fishing. Big up yourself, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, guys. That's about it. That's the day. I caught one fish. Gio gave me like a dozen to one. That wasn't good, but I mean, it's alright. It's my boy. We still got fish to eat. We're outside. I didn't catch as much as he did today, guys, because drop line wasn't proving anything to me. Tavares, he kind of gave up on fishing and started going crayfish hunting and shrimp hunting, and decided he wanted to catch crabs and shrimps and crayfish. So he switched up on me a bit, but it's alright. We'll still stop at one spot and try to give him a chance at picking up something still. He's still going to make an effort. But this is it. This is the last of the fish that we have on the grill. Kerry was so nice to drop the last set on the grill, guys. We got a sprat. We got a couple of jacks on here, and we want to finish off the day just like this, guys. Look at that. Give it a nice flip there, guys. Yes, this fish is so good. Oh my God, seasoned up real good. Gio seasoned it up, and we're really enjoying it. And my subscriber Kerry's here. Kerry, big up, yell up everybody. And then you have Tavares, the subscriber, he's here also. Yep, big up everybody, same way. And Laurie's over there. Where you going? Catching more crabs, huh? Yep, you and Tavares with the crabs, man. So we out, guys. We have Gio and Barra here, and they're out hunting. They actually switched up on me also and started going swimming. Look at them, both of them swimming. That's what they went doing, swimming.
Hello.
You see me, guys? So guys switched up on me, left me by myself fishing today. So we at Ron's HQ, Ron Adventures, guys. Jump off to his channels, please like, share, subscribe, watch the ads, guys. And we here at his HQ, his Mangrove Clubhouse, guys. This is awesome. I love this. This is like perfect camping type cookout spot. You know what I'm saying? Big up yourself. Yeah, man, definitely, guys. You want to look at a chill spot and kick it spot, you link up with Ron and you can set up the jerk pan, set up a local makeshift bar down here, son. Get the local event going, guys. Alright, link up. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here.